Good morning, students. So we will start with the exercise now. Exercise 14.3. For this you need a graph copy. First question is, a survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figures in percent. So causes are given and female fertility rate is given. First question is, represent the information given above graphically. So by seeing the data only, you can understand that here we will use bar graph because there is no class interval over here. So we will use here bar graph. So let us draw the bar graph first. So let us start now. So students, just see, on the x-axis or on the horizontal axis we will be writing the causes, and on the y-axis or vertical axis we will be writing the female fertility rate in percentage. I have taken a gap of 5. So two division is equal to 1 unit. I have taken it. First is reproductive health conditions 31.8. So most important part in bar graph is that there should be equal spacing, which is very important. I am using pen, but you have to use the pencil in your graph copy. So this is reproductive health conditions. So it is 31.8. Now next is neuropsychiatric conditions 25.4. The spacing between the rectangle and the gap should be equal, and the next rectangle should be equal. So 25.4. So I am just making 25.4. So it is 25.4. We will write down here neuropsychiatric conditions. Third is injuries 12.4. So we will be making 12.4. It is 12.4. Next is cardiovascular conditions 4.3. So let us draw 4.3. Then next is 4.1 respiratory conditions. If you have a long graph copy, you can make a division of 2 also as per your convenience. .1, and next is other causes 22. You have to write down here reproductive health conditions. Next is neuropsychiatric conditions. This neuropsychiatric conditions, then injuries, then cardiovascular conditions, respiratory conditions, and other causes. So this is the way of drawing bar graph. So what do you find here? That the spacing between each rectangle is equal. That is very important in bar graph. So this is how bar graph of the first question is made. Now next part of the same question is, which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? You can see from the percentage only, highest percentage is of reproductive health conditions. So what is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? You will write down reproductive health conditions. Then next, try to find out any two factors which play a major role in the cause 2, that is neuropsychiatric conditions, above being the major cause. Means what is the cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? That is the question. What are the two major causes? That is lack of proper diet, then unhygienic living conditions. These, because till now in our country girls are not treated well, and so they do not get proper diet, and there is very unhygienic living conditions in the countryside area. So these are the two factors which are the main causes of reproductive illness in the reproductive health conditions. So students, I have done question number 1 for you. Do question number 2 and 3 on your own. That is based on bar graph only. So for today this much only. Thank you.